Hi, I'm Bill Moore, and I'm on a mission to add alpha to your trading through the power of relative value analysis. If you're looking for more candlestick patterns, then this is not for you. But if you're ready to take it to the next level and trade like a professional, stick around. So today, a basket of auto parts companies, over 40 of them. I think we ended up with 160 some odd pairs in here. And an amazing thing happened. I ran the thing, I didn't put on any filters whatsoever, and I glanced down at the very first one on the list. Now, the list of pairs of the 160 something pairs here is automatically sorted by correlation. Okay, so that's the order. So the very first one has the best correlation of all of those pairs. But the RW coefficient is almost perfect as well. The drift is very close to 0, which is what we like. It happens to also already be above the second standard deviation line, which is our normal setting for when we're looking for things to trade. And the expectation value is better than 5%. This is going to be a short, obviously. So absolutely amazing. And then I glance over here, the number of winners in the past is 8. So I'm not even going to look at anything else. Let's just take a look directly at this one. So we see a really nice picture here. But in fact, if we take a look, it's about a year and a half ago, it looks like, is when the great motion started. Before that, it had some interesting drift up and down. It wasn't such a large motion. But for the past year and a half, it has been really, really a nice picture, and it is currently outside the second standard deviation up here. The track record shows that it has crossed outside the second standard deviation 9 times and returned profitably 8 previous times, with the 9th one being the one that's currently open in front of us right now. And just a quick glance over here, it looks like the mode of getting back to the mean is about 35 bars. So let's go add this to the observe page. Okay, so this is the really nice looking part of the chart, of course. It does look like today that we had a pretty good jump up, right? Which, that's going to give us more profit in the long run, but it might suggest that maybe we're not going to put this trade on immediately. Maybe we're going to watch it a little bit until it begins to come back, in the direction that we want, back down towards the mean. But the motion is really, really good here. Let's take a look at the hitting probabilities. Wow, absolutely a slam dunk on the mean reversion here. The current value is at 8.5. We're targeting minus 3.86. Let's run the Monte Carlo simulation. So it shows us being a winner 86% of the time, 30 days from now. That's a decent number. We've had better, but that's okay. And the expectation value is 0.95. Of course, this is a simulation, right? So if we run it again, it's going to be slightly different, but these are also good numbers. Half the time to get all the way to the mean, it says it takes 80 bars, okay? And that's obviously several months. But the mode being 37 bars. So that's okay. I like all of these numbers. Everything is good. This pair looks, like I said, it's got a perfect track record and great correlation and great RW coefficient. So it's a very safe pair to trade, and it's got a perfect record. So I'm going to go with that type of statistics. So let's take a look back one more time at the detail page. So we're going to be trading IR versus ALSN with a ratio of 2.2. The correlation is the best in all of those 160 pairs in that basket of 0.95. The RW coefficient is awesome of 0.94. And the track record is perfect. It's been perfect each time it's been outside the second standard deviation, and it recently just got outside the second standard deviation again, and that's where we are going to try to make some money. So today's recommendation, IR minus 2.2 of ALSN. It is a short, so for every share of IR that you sell, you're going to purchase 2.2 shares of ALSN. Good luck with your trading today.